Fellas, everybody. Got another little unboxing here. I don't know if I told you guys, but my goal and my purpose this year is efficiency and downsizing. And beginning of the year, I actually I was blessed to be able to take some of my earnings from last year and purchase some things that I would need, for this year. This is just some of my order. This is another, I really don't know what this is. I ordered quite a few things. Feel kind of heavy. It feels like that rack system I bought, that cart. Yeah, that is what it is. It's just a cart I found. And what I'm gonna do with it, you can do whatever you want with it, but I'm gonna fill this up with microfibers. Fold out my microfibers and put it in here. Just wanted to show you guys this. If you think you can utilize something like this, they are actually sold online at Home Depot. So you guys can go check it out. It's a Jumbo Plus 4-wheel shopping cart. And it is collapsible. Let's see if we can open this up. It won't take too long here. We're already at 2 minutes. I don't want to be that long. Let's see how. I got some twisty ties over here. I got twisty ties there. Okay, I assume that's for the wheels. Okay, it should just form straight up, and you just got to put the wheels on it. Let's see here. You got that twisted tab. Hold on. Let me hit you with a style. Style pretty work. My man. Hold on. Oh, okay. I'm tripping. They got this. Okay. I'm tripping. Okay. All right. And you put your wheels on it. Like I say, I'm gonna fill it up with microfiber. I'll probably put some walls on it and find some kind of way to put a hinge on it to keep all the microfibers dust free, and use this as, I don't know, bottles. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all this right quick, man. Another unboxing. Getting prepared for 2019. Efficiency and downsizing. Peace, respect, and happy detailing. Black Cloud right, boy. Yeah, man.